Welcome back, Taylor Cooks. It's a Monday and all this stuff is left over. The baked potatoes, there's broccoli there, there's cheese, we've got chicken that's cooked, but I'm going to keep that for my sandwiches, put that over there. I've got some raw chicken that I've not cooked, which I need to cook today because it's defrosted. We've got some bechamel sauce there, left over, and some spaghetti from Saturday. What can possibly go wrong? Cue the music. So this is what's left over: Parmesan cheese, bechamel sauce, chicken that's defrosted that needs cooking, panini that's left over from Saturday, baked potatoes, and this amazing broccoli which just needs reheating, which is going to be great. So what I thought we'd do is, I thought if I make a special with some of the baked potatoes and some of the panini, stick it in the oven and let's see how it turns out. So this is how we're going to do it. Watch this. The first thing I'm going to do with this raw chicken is I'm going to get it frying. So that's the first thing that I want to do. It will work out really nice, and it's a nice Monday meal, shall we say. This was one of the chickens that we bought whole a couple of weeks back, and took everything out and made the bone broth for the dogs. Get that frying. Onion in. So what I want with this is some garlic and a little bit of mixed herbs. Cheddar cheese. So this is the good bit. So we've got our chicken cooked, everything else is cooked, and I just need to get this bechamel sauce, leftover sauce. If you want to know how to make this, have a look under Italian on my YouTube channel and you'll see how to make your own bechamel sauce. Well, like I said, it will freeze. So this has been made on Saturday, and as you can see, parmesan in, a little bit of cheddar too in as well, broccoli. So let's put our broccoli in. And this, give it a quick turn over, and then we have the chicken. Chicken and onions to go in. And then leftover panini. They're good. And over. Our next step is to get our dish. And let's the chicken and everything else. So you're going from having leftovers to have something that's probably going to feed at least 4 people, I would imagine. mozzarella. Mozzarella on the top. So there it is, in the oven. About 15 minutes, and let's see what we come out with. That nice crispy bake. So while we're doing that, while that is in the oven, we've got our baked potatoes, which we had on, I think this was Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. So what I want to do with these, down the middle, like this, and just empty the inside out. Right, scoop those out. Just put them into another dish. Let's make more washing up. I need to get a little bit of onion. Those on. This was our cheddar cheese from before. Give it a good mash. Bring it all together. Get these restuffed is the way to do it. Left of our mozzarella from before. Slice on top. Bit of salt, and then it's in the oven. How's that? Okay, dish number 2 in the oven.